So we understand the concepts well, we understand the MCQs well, but when it comes to university exam for writing long answers and short notes, we go blank. We develop cold feet, sir. Please help us out. Hi everyone. Hi, this is Dr. Anil Mirchandani. Well, this is a very common problem faced by most of the students of undergraduation. Well, knowing something and expressing something in exam are two different ball games altogether. Well, we are proud to introduce now a very special initiative by DAMS Alpha. We have devised lecture series which will make you competent in writing your university exams. Knowing something very well and having the ability to write in exams, those two things are totally different things, believe me. Yeah, we often go blank when we have to frame and structure our long answers and short notes in our university exam. So we have designed lecture series based on CBME curriculum as mandated by NMC, and this lecture series is going to make you competent. It's going to make you competent in writing long answers, short notes, and we also included the clinical questions. Nowadays they are asking long questions in a form of clinical pattern, so you should be competent enough to understand the question, understand the concepts, and yes, express the same thing in a long answer and a short note format. This series is going to be very useful for all of you. After completing this series, I am very sure you will get great marks in your university exams. You will find no trouble in giving papers. You will be well prepared for your exams. So we wish you all the best, and let's learn together. Let's understand the concepts together, and let's understand how to express ourselves in a better way. See you soon. Bye-bye.